crafty friends, welcome to or welcome back to Jenny Love Journals. So I am going to be doing just a giveaway video today. Usually I show what I'm doing or what I'm giving away in my weekly crafty giveaways within a video, but I think from now on I'm just going to do shorter videos of the crafty giveaways. One video showing what I'll be giving away, giving you guys a chance to enter, and then another video on its own showing who won that week. So I do want to show you guys one thing though before I show you the bundle that I'm giving away this week in the crafty giveaway. As you guys know, I am going to, well, I already have started working on school journals, and I am making 6 of them. They're going to be 1 signature journals. These are just the covers. I just finished the covers. I haven't embellished them yet. They are covered with fabric, and I've sewn around them. Oh, this one's upside down. I've sewn around them, put scrapbook paper on the inside, and of course I will be embellishing the covers, adding a signature, 1 signature, but they will be pretty thick signatures. I'll be adding closures and things like that. So I have been working on these. Again, I just got the covers done, so stay tuned for some more of these. I'm really excited for those. Right now I'm gathering up all of the papers that I need that are going to go in the journals. All right, guys, so this is this week's crafty giveaway. As I explain, every single week I give away a small bundle of items that I have either destashed from my craft room or items that I have purchased in bulk from thrift stores, antique malls, things like that, in which I will never use all of myself, so I decide to share with you guys. So that's what these are. So this week's crafty giveaway bundle is, by the way, if you want to enter, of course, you have to be subscribed to the channel, like the video, and hashtag JLJTribe down in the comments below. Just type out hashtag JLJTribe, and the winner will be randomly announced on Tuesday. All right. So you will be getting this block stamp. How cool is that? It's a Ferris wheel. It's like an old scene, though. And it looks like it's been used once or twice, but in really good shape. So you'll get that. You will get these vintage hooks and eyes. It's unopened, but it is vintage. I don't know how old it is, but I can tell that it's been around for quite a while. Lots of things you can do with these. You can make little closures for envelopes and things with the hooks and eyes. A neon green, it's almost like a cord. I don't know what you would call it. It's much thicker than like embroidery thread or anything like that. Let me bring it a little closer without it getting too blurry. I know it's hard, but yeah, it's like it's a cord, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of it there, and it's a bright green color. Very pretty. All right, also you're going to receive, this is just a baggie filled with different types of trims, a lot of gold. I didn't pay $1 for this. This is just a baggie that I had, and I just stuck these in there as I was destashing and going through stuff. So this is, it's got the wire in the edging, or the edges, and this is just a beautiful gold ribbon. You get quite a bit of that. And then there is this green ribbon. It's got the texture on it. I don't know how well you can see that, but a little bundle of that, and then a little bundle of the green satin ribbon. Very pretty. And then there's this one. This also has the wires in the edges. I personally pull the wires out, but look how pretty that is. And you get quite a bit of it. Yeah, if you don't like the wires, like I literally don't at all, I always pull them out. It's easy to pull them out too. And then there's this. These have the wires in the edges as well, but it's beautiful. I love gold. I love working with gold. I love everything gold. So you will receive all of these beautiful trims, and then you will receive, this is vintage quilt binding. And there's 3 yards. It's unopened. And again, I don't know how old this is, but it is vintage, and I love that color. It's like a rust color, if you will. Lots of stuff you can do with quilt binding or blanket binding. You're also going to get another baggie that is full of die cuts and just cute little embellishments. Mostly die cuts here. Let me see. It's just a lot of little odd and end pieces. Like, look at that. That is so pretty. This has the flowers glued on. I did not do those. I don't know who did. I think I bought these at a thrift store. But look at all of these guys. Aren't they so pretty? I mean, look at all of those. And I did save some for myself. Lots and lots of cute little things. Little die cuts for all kinds of projects. And then there's a little, this is just a little notebook, and it's got heart paper. Lots of little things. That was, I think, in the bag. I don't have to include that. I will if, actually I will. Why not? So you will receive all of those. Okay, and then finally, I am tossing in this Vintage Garden Pools, Fountains, and Waterfalls book. This is perfect if you are making summertime journals, gardening journals, and this is, let me see what the year is, 1975. So it's 51 years old, but you can use it for ephemera. Like, you can cut these out, make journaling cards and tags. Lots of fountains and gardens and things like that. I love using books like this when I am doing gardening books and house and home journals and things like that. So anyways, this will be thrown in as well. So again, you get the Garden Pools magazine, vintage magazine. You get all of these beautiful die cuts, the quilt binding, the block stamp, the neon green cord, the hooks and eyes, bring that closer, and the bag with the gold and green trims. So if you win this week's Crafty giveaway, you will receive all of these items. Again, to enter, please be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and type in the comments below hashtag JLJTribe, all one word. And then on Tuesday, I will come back with another video randomly choosing the winner. So also, guys, I want to say that if you do enter the Crafty giveaways, please be sure that you claim your prize after you've won. I have, sometimes some people will win and they don't email me with their information. So if you do enter, make sure that you intend to come back on Tuesday to see if you win or not. I think I'm going to give it like 2 weeks. If a prize is not claimed within 2 weeks, I will put it back out into a future giveaway. So please do make sure that you guys pay attention and come back and check to see if you won. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Again, I just wanted to do the giveaway video by itself and then basically show the progress of the school journals that I've been working on. And I will see you very soon, and I hope you're all having a blessed day. Take care, guys.